They were wealthy traders, but their profits were built on lies, cheating, and fraud. Then Allah sent them Prophet Shuʿayb alayhi salam with a clear message: give full measure and weight and do not cheat the people. This is the powerful story of People of Madyan, a people destroyed by their greed. Madyan was a prosperous land located between Hijaz and Syria. Its people were skilled merchants but were known for corruption in trade, short weighing, and economic injustice. Yes, to guide them, Allah sent an Shuayb alayhi salam, a wise and eloquent prophet from among them. He preached, "O my people, worship Allah, you have no God but Him." Surah Hud 84. And he warned, "Give full measure and weight. Do not cheat people of their goods and do not cause corruption in the land." Surah Hud 85. He reminded them, "What remains from Allah is better for you if you are believers." But the people mocked Shuayb. Does your prayer command that we abandon what our ancestors worshipped or stop doing business? Surah Hud 87. They laughed at his advice, called him weak, and threatened to expel him. He remained patient and firm, praying, "My Lord knows best what you do." Shuayb alayhi salam warned them of the fate of Thamud, Ad, and Nuh's people. He said, "O my people, let not your opposition to me lead you to suffer what befell the people of Nuh, Hud, and Salih." Surah Hud 89. Still they turned away, blinded by greed. When they crossed the limit, Allah's punishment arrived. Then the earthquake seized them, and they became lifeless bodies in their homes. Surah Al-A'raf 91. Their wealth couldn't save them. Their trade was gone in an instant. Shuayb alayhi salam turned away from the ruins and said, "O my people, I delivered the messages of my Lord to you and gave you sincere advice. Why should I grieve for disbelieving people?" Surah Al-A'raf 93. The story of Madyan warns us that economic injustice is no small sin. Allah values honesty, fairness, and justice in trade. The fate of Madyan teaches us, even nations with wealth and trade will fall if greed replaces faith and cheating replaces honesty.